It is among the world's first predominantly 3D printed homes built on Long Island in mere weeks at half the cost. Jennifer McLogan met the special family fortunate enough to be chosen by Habitat for Humanity.
6-year-old Matias Cabrera says he feels like he struck gold.
Hyper, super, ultra.
Matias, sister Hermiolet, and parents Carmen and Starkey are about to move into Habitat for Humanity's first ever 3D printed house on Long Island.
I was imagining when I picked my bedroom.
The emotional family was handed the keys in a Town of Islip ceremony last week. The moving van now mere days away. The entire neighborhood's abuzz over this. Put up in 2 weeks. We got a peek of how it was done when SQ4D builders showed us their sample home in Suffolk. Hurricane-proof, concrete foundation, walls, and insulation built with a 3D printer.
It's incredible.
A 3D printed home costs about half the price of a traditional single-family house.
The first ever 3D built home for affordable housing on Long Island. So it's a really very special home, and they're a special family.
The Cabreras helped build this home and will contribute to other Habitat houses as part of their 300 hours of sweat equity. The town, county, state, and feds all help with grants and donations, helping low to moderate income families purchase homes and stay on Long Island.
It's a dream for my family.
The Cabreras are now able to leave their cramped basement apartment.
When I'm in the basement, I cannot see the snow or the rain.
Matias will no longer have to sleep in the boiler room.
He's going to finally have his own room. And, that truly is the American dream, and seeing it come to fruition right here in our town is really, really special.
And bring his favorite books to a new bed.
I want to learn about space.
From Brentwood, Long Island, Jennifer McLogan, CBS News, New York.
So many memories to make in the new home.
Really,
right?
and a beautiful house and hurricane-proof, too. I love that part.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Important.